Then he says something beautiful, Inna alayna lal huda. You can have all the wealth in the world. There is one wealth you cannot have. You don't own it. You will never own it. That's guidance. Allah says it is only upon us, truly, to give guidance. It's only ours. However wealthy you get, how poor you are, it's not yours. It is only, alayna muqaddam, jar wa majrur muqaddam, or it's only upon us to give guidance. Guidance will not come to you from anywhere else. It's been interpreted in two ways. In one, Al-Farra, rahmahullah, he says, "Man salaka al-huda fa'ala Allahi sabiluh liqawlihi wa 'ala Allahi qasdu as-sabil." He says, by saying it is upon us the ultimate guidance. Another way to translate it is, real guidance is only that which leads you to us. True guidance, all true guidance, in the end can only be the one that leads you to us. And the second meaning, it is only upon Allah to guide. What does it mean upon Allah to guide? First of all, did He guide the human being even before the revelation came? Did He give him a sense of what's right and what's wrong? فَأَلْهَمَهَا فُجُورَهَا وَتَقْوَاهَا. Did He pre-program him? And then on top of that, did He give him al-husna also on top of that revelation? Did He guide him on top of that too? Didn't He say, this guidance can only come from Allah. This pre-programmed guidance inside of you, and this revealed guidance from above can only come from Allah. And on top of that, if you're seeking guidance, the end of it will not be wealth. The end of it will not be fame. The end of it can only be who? Allah. That's real guidance. That's a goal. Qasdu as-sabil, in another place Allah says, it is only upon Allah that the goal of the path leads. The goal of the path, the end of the journey is what? Allah Azza wa Jalla. That's the eventual conclusion of the journey. The lana, by the way, means ownership. Milkiya, ownership. Has this surah been talking about ownership? Wealth. And the false sense of somebody who thinks they own actually, but they don't really own. So what are the words that have been used in this surah that talk about ownership? A'ta, he gave. Of course you give what you own. He says, bakhila, cheap. Cheap with what? What you own. Istaghna, feels free of need. Free of need because of what? What he owns. Similarly, yughni anhu maluhu. His wealth will not benefit him. Wealth that he owns. Yu'ti malahu yatazakka is coming. He'll give his wealth. Wealth, ownership. But you should never forget, real ownership only belongs to Allah. Inna lana. It is only to us truly that ownership belongs in the hereafter and also here in this world. Accepting this will make all your spending for Allah, guess what? Easy. It'll make spending easy. When you feel like you have to spend because it's yours, it's hard. When you give, it's not even yours and you're giving, it's easy. Because it wasn't yours to begin with. Subhanallah.